Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Finelo security and legit check. So let's quickly dive into it. Finelo is a real app available in major app stores with high user ratings, and its website uses standard security like XSL certificate, showing it a functioning platform. However, there are red flags like multiple user reports, misleading subscription practices, unexpected recurring charges, and difficulties getting refund. Some resources also flag the domain with low trust scores. The refund policy and auto renewal terms are buried in fine print, so it's crucial to read everything carefully. So Finelo is legitimate as an educational app, but use caution with billing and subscription. So if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick app check, and comment if you want me to compare Finelo with several alternatives. And that's it.